Nasira.
So this one is my gift
May ano?
for myself.
May gift.
My gift. My gift. Kasi
How
recently,
to play chess better.
ang sakit na ng kamay ko. As in, parang pagod na pagod. Tapos, nakita ko online, maganda naman yung review niya. And this is hand massager. Rechargeable, stylish, comfort, and easy to use. So we'll see kung paano siya ginagamit.
Anong kulay?
What's the color, Daddy?
Good question. How much is it pala?
It's 1,200 plus.
1,200 plus? Parang 1,500.
1,500.
1,500.
Teka, check ko kayo siya.
150.
So this is it.
This is it, pansit.
Bakit kailangan may ganito, may gloves? Kakain ba tayo?
Chicken wings daw yan.
Ayan. Anong kasama to? What's in the box now? Charger.
Ito siya. It's a Benbow hand massage therapy machine. It costs, 1,690. Meron lang siya. Meron lang discount.
So meron charger, merong...
Congrats, meron ka ng air fryer.
Dito air fryer. Ayan. So i-insert mo lang yung kamay mo rito, left and right. Pero we'll check for the instructions. So kung kinuha ko na picture, Amber Gold ba to? Or
Rose.
Rose.
Ba,
Bakit
layo?
Rose? Sana pearl white na lang, no?
Walang option, eh.
Wala.
Kung ano lang available.
Ayun. So we'll see kung effective na.
Bigat ah. Pagpasok mo dito may kalapate. Oh, ready na ba mga bata? Ganun.
Pag gano'n na, surprise!
Kalapate. Saka palang magician ako.
Ano ba to?
Ano, Power Ranger.